Hello everyone, David here with another unboxing. Today I have the Harbor Freight 26-inch by 22 single bank roller cabinet. I'm doing a video on it. There's a ton of them out there. The only reason why I'm recording this is because I purchased this on the store and I saw a little bit of damage to the box, and you see all the straps are still intact. So I haven't opened it, so I wanted to open it on camera to make sure that everything is good in here. I'm assuming this is the back. Yeah. All right, let's open it up. Everything's here. Seems like it. I was gonna buy the 44-inch or the 56, but I need, as you can see, I have this roller cart right here. So I didn't want two big ones. So this, I'm going to try and build a cart with it. Maybe put two of these together because I need the smaller drawers. So it has some tape here. Here are the keys. It comes with 4 keys. Man, this thing smells like burnt wire. Well, on the back, where the box had a hole, it's got a slight ding in it. Not enough to complain. However, if you see the box with a little bit of damage, open it up. Make sure everything is good before you haul it away, because this thing is a little heavy. So it's almost 200 pounds. I don't know. It's almost 200 pounds. Yeah, see on the front, everything seems to be squared. Let's see. Put the keys back here. Yeah, but it's got the size of a little ding. Maybe the size of a nickel. It's in the back. I'm not worried about it. I could probably go to the store and complain and get them to give me a 10%. But I'm not going to do that. You know, they're running a business. I don't want to be that guy. You have your manual with all your cardboard signs. These are literally cardboard. And the little plastic strips to put on front, and the little ink caps to seal it in place. The drawers, no noise. Let me lock it back up. I'm gonna get the bottom off. This car has been with me for a couple of years already. When they first came out with the Series 2, that's when I bought it. With the blue one. Everything seems to be good. That thing's not gonna bother me. At least for right now. It feels oily. All the drawers, make sure they're closed and open just fine. They lock into place. The liners on the inside seem to be fine. a squeaky. And you get your handle and wheels. I'm debating whether to put the wheels or not. I don't think I am. This is going to be stationary. I just want I wanted a big toolbox because I have a lot. I want to be able to put all my. I'm going to put some foam in it. I'm got me some of these. So I'm going to make cut them into smaller pieces and make individuals. These are not big enough for the whole entire drawer. They're slightly smaller. So take these out. I know from the front and the back. Might be able to get away with it. So that's my idea. I'm gonna put. That's the plan, not my idea. That's somebody else's idea. But that's what I'm planning on doing. The wheels, I might just, if they fit on my cart, if they're the same size, I'll use the two swivel ones, put it on this one, because this is the one I move around. And if not, and then just build a platform, make it about the normal height that it's supposed to be, and then put a butcher block all the way across. I'm going to be buying a second one and then put a butcher block across it. Maybe build a cabinet around it so it looks pretty. And that's pretty much it. That's the plan with it. But I wanted to open it up on camera just in case there was an issue with any of with the box itself, which it does. It have a little ding, but I'm not gonna worry about it. I did pay $239 for it, $256 I think it was after taxes, out of my pocket. So that's pretty much. I think got a good deal with it. I really wanted it in yellow, but the manager said, "Well, I'll give it to you. I'll give you the yellow one," but he wanted me to buy a warranty, which I believe only covers the wheels. And pretty much it. Or rust. Nah. I buy wheels. It looks like they might be the same. Nah. We'll see. They're same size. If they fit, I'll let you guys know. And this I'm not gonna be rolling this around. This is gonna stay here. I might do the same thing with the Husky back there. I'm gonna get rid of this. When I get rid of it, like put it away. Right now, this is my electrical box. So I'm gonna put it away on my other side of the garage. All right, guys. Well, that's it for now. I just wanted to show you guys, always check for quality. Make sure everything is neat. They're stepping it up. This rubber piece right here is really nice. But it sure smells like burnt cables. So the handle, let me inspect this handle too before I turn off the camera. Won't be using this either. It comes with free fingerprints from the factory. It's okay. Comes right off. And that landed on the cardboard, thank God. If not, it would have crashed. But I'm not planning on using this. So there you guys have it. So if you want to stay up to date, just subscribe, like the videos, share it, and that will help me out a lot. And I look forward to creating more content. Thank you guys, and actually, Happy New Year. It's the first video of 2020. I just realized that. And I bought this December 31st, the last day for the coupon. So there you guys have it. Thank you. Have a good day.